Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use adjustment layers in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and click here on Pixel Studio. And then what I want you to do is just go ahead and select your image or layer you want to apply an adjustment layer to. After that, I want you to come and click on this icon. This is the adjustments menu. And from here, you can pick any adjustment effect that you want. For example, let's go ahead and do levels. And then here you can change your black levels, white levels, gamma, for example. And you can go ahead, just close this. It will be applied. I'll go ahead and show you another one. Click here on levels again. And then from here, we can go ahead and change the color balance as well. So as you can see right here, we are now changing the color balance. But that is how to use adjustment layers in Affinity Studio.